Welcome to our Scale Up department. PAN-Biotech GmbH supports you to realize your ideas or projects, no matter if small or big. Let me introduce you to our special program, the Scale Up concept. We have made it our mission to develop and launch your product ideas or product optimization for the cell culture market. PAN-Biotech will offer you support in different departments and units and handle these business units for you so that you will have the focus on your idea to boost your business to a successful level. You will decide which business units you want to outsource. Spin-off. Spin-offs, as its name says, are outsourcing units and companies from existing structures to found an independent and new company. This mainly occurs at academic or research institutes, but also in industry companies. We are your partner before, during, and after production, meaning from sourcing of raw material through production until the final product packing and storage. Your idea, one solution. Contract manufacturing and OEM cooperation. Offering individual production support, for example, filling and filtration, or producing your product in our facility will give you the flexibility for your daily business. Focus on your core units and we will take care of the rest. Your information will be safe and secured by contract to ensure your know-how will remain your property. Trust and loyalty is the key of our success. Our aim is your success. PAN-Biotech is offering this unique opportunity, made in Germany, to build strong partnerships for a great future.